put together spreadsheet upon spreadsheet upon spreadsheet, getting data from one system, pulling data from another system, and often they're really busy doing that type of work. But more often than not, during those board meetings or when something happens or something is needed, they'll need information about that data. So they will ideally go back to the finance team and say, look, we need to understand more about, I don't know, revenue per employee or profit per item, that type of thing. And then there's a mad scramble by the finance team or sometimes the external finance provider or the accountant to kind of quickly put together, or as quickly as possible, put together spreadsheet upon spreadsheet upon spreadsheet, getting data from one system, pulling data from another system, putting it into a crazy spreadsheet so that you can get that data. And it's always a one-off hit. So then you can see the information, you get great, that's wonderful. But there's this nagging question of, wouldn't it be great if we could just ask that question to the data and get that information out there? This is really common, and it always surprises me just how often I hear this kind of question and this kind of point. Now, this can feel really difficult, and you must think, there's AI, it can do this, and there's automation, but it can all seem a little bit too chaotic to be able to do that. So one of the ways that we've helped someone with that, where they have to produce a certain report or they have to get certain data, is to actually map out where that data sits, how it all pulls together, what needs to happen to get that report.